Nestled on the scenic Çeşme Peninsula in Izmir, Alaçatı is a dream destination for windsurfing enthusiasts. With its consistent winds, shallow turquoise waters, and vibrant atmosphere, it's no wonder that Alaçatı is considered one of the best windsurfing spots in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced rider, this charming Aegean town offers the perfect conditions for an unforgettable windsurfing experience. Why is Alaçatı perfect for windsurfing? Ideal wind conditions. Alaçatı is famous for its breeze winds, which blow steadily from the north during the summer months, from May to September. The winds are strong but manageable, averaging 15 to 25 knots, making them perfect for both learning and high-speed sailing. Shallow and flat waters. The bay features a large, shallow lagoon with waist-deep water, providing a safe and comfortable environment for beginners. The flat water conditions also allow advanced riders to practice tricks and speed without worrying about big waves. World-class windsurfing schools. Alaçatı is home to numerous professional windsurfing schools offering lessons for all levels. Whether you're picking up a board for the first time or refining your jibe technique, experienced instructors will guide you through the process. Some of the most reputable schools include Alaçatı Surfers World, Rüzgar Surf School, Club Laco. Vibrant windsurfing community. Every year, Alaçatı attracts windsurfers from around the globe, creating a lively and welcoming community. Whether you're here to train, compete, or just enjoy the sport, you'll find like-minded riders to share the experience with. What is the best time to visit for windsurfing? The peak season for windsurfing in Alaçatı runs from May to September, with the strongest winds typically in July and August. If you prefer fewer crowds while still enjoying great conditions, June and September are excellent alternatives. What else to do in Alaçatı? When you're not on the water, Alaçatı offers plenty to explore. Stroll through the charming old town with its cobblestone streets and traditional stone houses. Enjoy delicious Aegean cuisine at local restaurants serving fresh seafood and mezes. Relax at trendy beach clubs like Muma Beach or Sakuzlu Hotel Beach. Visit nearby Çeşme for thermal spas and vibrant nightlife. Alaçatı is more than just a windsurfing destination. It's a lifestyle. With perfect wind conditions, stunning scenery, and a laid-back atmosphere, it's the ultimate spot for anyone who loves the water. Whether you're here to improve your skills or simply enjoy the thrill of the wind, Alaçatı promises an unforgettable experience. Ready to ride the winds of Alaçatı? Grab your board, book your trip, and get ready for an adventure on the Aegean.